Hey yo, it's Mayo, and I am tired. And in the last video I was working on this, I just had big ideas, but they were too big, very much too big. And I just realized, like, okay, I can't do what I want. What I want is, am I recording audio? So what I want to do is something I'm not capable of yet. So instead, we're going to do something that I might be capable at. We're going to simplify the animation. I wanted it to be a certain way, but that's life. Alright, so we're going to blank and we're going to draw mode. Alright, so first let's find. I'm sorry, I'm just so out of it. Where are the layers? Um, I think it's where? Okay, here we are. Alright, so first we're just gonna we're just gonna draw a circle for her head and follow her proportions, the proportions as defined by the amazing Ocarina Leia. I feel so bad. I don't know the name, how to pronounce. But like I said, I'm afraid if I ask, then all of the secrets will be revealed. And is that? Oh, I'm really good at placing the bust line. But okay, and then that would be there, and then that uppity downity there. Man, I wish I had chosen a lighter color, but I can do that. So now we got a head, and we got that, and now we just need eyes. How am I gonna do the eyes? Okay, we'll get to that later. And I think I gotta animate the hair. Okay, but, cause like, I don't know. There's the collarbone. There's this bone. That bone. Oop. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna. We're gonna switch what pen? Okay, great. Pressure sensitivity is gone. Ah, why? Oh, yeah, no, it's there. It's just different things. Okay. Now, we need to. It was nothing. I thought there was someone outside my door, but there was not. Alright, so... yeah, that one looks good. Now, where in the heck are the... am I recording? Yes. I can't find... Is that it? That's not it. There it is. Okay. So, let's start just... I don't know. I like it. I like it. So let's just try... Okay, am I gonna be... Yes. No, wait. Not what I wanted. Okay. We're just gonna try this. Wow, that is not good. Not good. Okay. It's funny. I pulled out my tablet for this. Yeah, I'm sorry, tablet. I need to be able to press buttons. No. Squiggles. I need squiggles. Where'd it go? There it went. And then that one, curvy. Curvy. And then that there. There. Why am I making her have such an unrealistic body? Someone pointed out on the internet that, like, it's not cool to say a woman's body is unrealistic because with diet and exercise, a lot of people could get those bodies. Not someone like me. But it's like, even if they had to work so hard, it's not nice to say someone's body is unrealistic if they have it, you know? But at the same time, this has nothing to do with that because it's a computer drawing cartoon, you know? Like, the body I'm making isn't very realistic, but it's not a person with a body. It's a computer drawing. Hmm. Is that a nice face shape? It might be. Nice face shape. Yeah, I think this is the face shape I was thinking of. What is her hair like? Okay, it goes around. It's not supposed to be this long. I don't know. It's part of her bangs. Her bangs don't go down that low. Artistic interpretation. Wait, where? Was I draw? Oh, okay. So how does she look? Without the sketch layer and oh, I don't like it. Okay, let's see if using sculpt mode can make it better. No, it's too strong. She's not flat chested. So, hmm. Hmm. She isn't flat chested, but maybe I should. Okay. This definitely needs to go higher. I think That's good. Now half between eyes and nose. That goes a little lower. Boop, boop. Well, yeah, I need to figure that out too. It just looks really awkward because. Alright. Now. Okay, let's add hair. There's no real reason at all. Let's just add hair. I want to animate something and it be okay. So we'll go to draw mode and um, okay. There's the plump, and then plump. Now let's go to sculpt mode. And I just turned off all of the light edible errors. Like that. No, not up there. And let's, interpolate. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. Okay. Oh man, hold on. Good news. I do like the drawing. Bad news is I need to study how to do hair. But once I finalize this, I'm gonna roto. I feel like I absolutely need to rotoscope. I don't want to be a bad girl who rotoscopes, especially other animations, but why is this so hard for me? Why is it so hard to just get my head around the concepts? Or I'll just try again when I'm feeling better. I definitely need to fix her hair. I don't know. Bye.